Okay, 3.3. This section is the heart of your Iron Man suit, the compute power. AWS provides engines that run your workloads, from full control instances to serverless automation. Amazon EC2 gives you customizable virtual machines for total control. Lambda executes code on demand. No servers, no waiting. Fargate powers containerized tasks automatically. Auto scaling and load balancing keep performance consistent, adjusting as the demand changes. It's all about efficiency and speed. Bringing it back to Iron Man, when Tony tests the Mark III, he learns that intelligence beats brute force. EC2 is your strong frame. Lambda and Fargate are your responsive AI components. Auto-scaling and load balancing keep you stable under stress. Smart design keeps you flying, even when the pressure's on.